this video, I'm going to show you how to get a birthday promo code in 1xBet. So it will be simple to do. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a 1xBet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to buy email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code, you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video. Well, firstly, you must first ensure that your account is verified so as to make sure your 1xBet account is fully verified. Where you will come and click on menu. Now you will come and click on your settings right up here, where you will come again and click on your profile just up there. Then by clicking on it, you will just come and click on enter details, where every information here must be filled, and the main point for this will be the date of birth for your birthday. Then by putting it, you must just click on save for this first phase so as to analyze and to confirm that it has been changed also outside from here. Then when everything now is set, you will just note that on the day of your birthday for the essential, you will just wait, be it today or even tomorrow. 1xBet will typically send birthday promo code as a special gift to activate for the users. Now the birthday promo code can also come in the app through a message, where you will just click here on your message to see the birthday promo code that has been sent to you, or even through your email or even your SMS. So in any case you don't receive it, you will just have to contact the support of 1xBet, where you will just come still in your menu and come and click on customer support at the last part, where you will come and click with chat with the operator, so as to inform the service of 1xBet that you have not received your promo code of the birthday. Then by texting them, they will respond you very fastly and send you what to do through even email or even your message, and it is as simple as that.